Hi everybody, welcome back to the Daily Meditation with me, meditation teacher Paul Harrison. Today, I'm going to be doing a body scan meditation for stress relief. If you've been feeling a little bit tense, a little bit stressed, this meditation is really going to help you to relax and to unwind in both your mind and in your body. Body scan meditation is a form of meditation devised by Jon Kabat-Zinn in which we scan our conscious awareness or our focus from the top of the head down to our feet. As we do this, we systematically relax each part of the body. And as we relax each part of the body, we also relax the mind because, of course, mind and body are intrinsically connected. And when one relaxes, the other does so too. So let's get into it. To start with, I advise you to sit with good posture. You don't have to sit with your legs crossed if you find that uncomfortable. You can simply sit on a chair. But make sure that you do have good posture, a nice straight spine, your feet squarely planted on the ground, and then slightly just lower your chin down just a little bit to elongate your neck. And now what we shall do is just close our eyes, and we shall begin our meditation session. To begin, all we shall do is focus on the breath as it moves through the space just beneath the middle of the nose. We are simply observing the feeling of the breath as it moves through that space just beneath the middle of the nose. And here at the beginning of our session, I like to remind myself that we are going to be meditating for a short while, and that the only thing that matters during this time is that we sit calmly, focus the mind, and relax. And so we are continuing to simply breathe and observe the sensations of the breath moving through the spot just beneath the middle of the nose. Now, should any thoughts or feelings come to mind, we shall simply let them float on by as we continue to breathe and to relax. And now, having begun to relax the mind a little, we shall start to get into our body scan meditation. To begin, just gradually, delicately, focus your mind on the crown of your head. You're simply observing the crown of your head. Notice any sensations taking place there. What energy do you observe at the crown of your head? Perhaps there is a buzzing or a tingling. Whatever it is that you notice there, simply observe it. Should you notice any tension in the crown of your head, visualize breathing into that space and allowing that space to just let go and to relax. And now we shall move our awareness down to the forehead and to the eyes and the nose. Simply observe what energy and what sensations are taking place around your forehead, around your eyes, and around your nose. Simply mindfully observe what is occurring in the present moment. Should you notice any tension in that part of your body, visualize breathing into that space and allowing that space to relax and to let go. And now we move down to the mouth, the lips, and the jaw. Sometimes we carry tension in the jaw, and this is perfectly normal and perfectly natural. Any tension that we observe in the jaw, we remind ourselves that it is temporary and fleeting. And we breathe into that space and just gently invite that part of yourself to let go and to relax. And now we come to our neck, simply observing the sensations in the neck, breathing into that space, allowing the neck to simply let go and relax. And now we move to our shoulders, simply observing what is happening in our shoulders, observing the energy and the sensations there. Allowing any tension to let go and to relax. And now we come to the upper arms, observing the sensations occurring there. Breathing into the upper arms, letting go and relaxing. And now we come to the lower arms and to the wrists, simply observing the sensations there. Breathing into the lower arms and the wrists, allowing any tension to let go and to relax. Now we come to the hands and to the fingers, and you might notice that your fingers feel more alive with sensations and energy than other parts of your body. And this is completely normal. It is simply because there are more connections between the fingers and the brain than between other parts of the body and the brain. Simply observing those sensations, allowing the hands and the fingers to let go and to relax. Now we journey up the body to the top of the back, simply observing any sensations taking place there. Breathing into the upper back, allowing any tension to just melt away as we breathe and relax. And now we come to the lower back, Simply observing the sensations taking place there. Breathing into the lower back, allowing any tension to simply let go and to relax. Now we move up to the chest region, simply observing the sensations taking place there. Breathing into the chest, letting go and relaxing. Now we come to the abdomen, observing the sensations taking place there. Breathing into the abdomen, letting go and relaxing. And now we move to the pelvis, and we observe any sensations in the pelvis. We breathe into that space. We let go, and relax. And now to the upper thighs. Observing the sensations taking place there. Breathing into the upper legs, the thighs. Letting go and relaxing. And to the knees. It is normal and natural to carry some degree of tension in the knees. And if there is tension there, we remind ourselves that it is temporary and that it is fleeting. As we breathe in, let go and relax. Now to the lower legs and the ankles, observing, breathing in, letting go and relaxing. And finally to the feet, observing the sensations in the feet, breathing into the feet and inviting any tension to let go and to relax. And now just take a moment to observe the entirety of your physical form. Be aware of your body, this miraculous, divine form. Be grateful for everything that your body does for you. Now, to a count of 5, we shall open our eyes, and as we do so, we shall bring with us the feeling of calmness and awareness. 1, our eyes open just a tiny little bit. 2, open a little bit more, but we are still calm, still relaxed, still aware. 3, 4, our eyes are nearly open now, still calm, still relaxed. And 5, and we are back. And there we are, body scan meditation. I do hope you found that very relaxing, calming. Again, my name is Paul Harrison from thedailymeditation.com. I would invite you to subscribe and to like this video, and to invite your friends and family to like this video and to subscribe also. And if you would like to book a meditation lesson with me, you may do so on thedailymeditation.com. Thank you ever so much. Have a wonderful, blessed day.